This is just a swatch, so I'm going to start with the 36 chain plus 3 chain for the first row over here. You can make as long as you want to make. I have here total 36 chain, and then add 3 chain for your first row, and this 3 chain count will as double crochet. So 3 double crochet, next 3 chain, and then skip 2 chain on the third chain, make 7 time double crochet, then 2 chain and skip over here 4 chain, then 4 next 4 stitch double crochet. So I'm just going to keep repeating this row, and then we will do second row. Slip knot. For the slip knot, just turn your yarn like this and make over here and tighten up. That's it, your slip knot done. Make chain. So 1 2 3. I'll just complete total 36 chain, then we will start our first row. Okay, I have here total 36 chain. Now we'll start first row. To start first row, add first 3 chain. 1 2 3. These 3 chain will count as 1 double crochet. Now yarn over, skip 3 chain, on the 4th chain make double crochet, and then next chain over here double crochet, then in the next chain make 1 more double crochet. So here I have 4. One, I will count this 3 chain as 1 double crochet, and then next 2 3 4, total 4 double crochet. Now yarn over and skip 2 chain, 1 and 2, skip 2 chain, on the 3rd chain yarn over, on the 3rd chain make double crochet 7 time total. So 1, make 6 more time, 2, again yarn over same place, 3, yarn over again, 4 5 6, and 1 more time last, 7. Here now if you see, we have something like this. Over here 4 double crochet, then I skip 2 chain over here, and from skip 2 chain, on the 3rd chain I make 7 time double crochet on the 1 stitch, in the same stitch 7 time. Now here make 2 chains, 1 2 chain, and here skip 4 chain. I make 2 chain, and then I will skip here 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, yarn over, on the 5th stitch, on the 5th chain make double crochet here like this, and then now next 3 as well double crochet, next chain double crochet. So we'll make 4 double crochet, exactly how we did over here in the starting. Next chain double crochet, then next chain double crochet. So here if you see, I have here 1 2 3 4 double crochet. Now I will skip over here 2 chains, exactly what we did over here, 4 chain, and then I skip 2 chain and then make 7 time. So same, yarn over, skip 2 chain, 1 2, on the 3rd chain make 7 time double crochet. So now we just repeating our pattern, 2 3 4 5 6 7. I have here 7. Now after 7 time double crochet, make 2 chain, 1 2, and then skip over here 4 chain, same like we did here. So skip 4 chain, 1 2 3 4, on the 5th make double crochet, and next chain double crochet, then next chain. So 4 double crochet in the 4 stitches, 4 chain. Here I have 4 double crochet. Now yarn over, skip over here, 2 chain, 1 2. On the third, make 7 time double crochet, 1 2 3 4 5 6 sorry, last 7. Done. Now I'll make over here 2 chain, 1 2, and skip 4 chain over here, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and make over here double crochet, yarn over, so last 4 stitches I'll make 4 double crochet. I have last 4 chain left. Here my first row completed. If you see, you have something like this. First row complete. Now turn your work. We'll do second row now. For the second row, start with 3 chain, 1 2 3. This 3 chain will count as 1 double crochet. Yarn over, first we make this, and the second chain, not in this, and the second one, second stitch, make double crochet. Then next chain, double crochet, then next chain, next stitch, double crochet. So it has to be 4. So I will count 3 chains. I'll double crochet 1 2 3 4. So because we have here 4, so just make 4 on the top, 4 double crochet. Same here, we just need to continue this with the 4 double crochet only. And here after 4 double crochet, yarn over. You don't need to make any chain, anything, nothing. Just over here, if you see, in the first we have this 7 double crochet. This is shell. So very first here, this is first one. Insert your hook in the here between 1 and 2. Here 1 and 2 on the center. Insert your hook like this and make 7 time here. Now 1, same place I'm making now, 7 time double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we have something like this now. And then after this, make 2 chain. Same exactly how we did our first row. Now we are just repeating actually, but just make sure we are making here 7 time now. 2 chain, and then insert your hook here on the double crochet we have here on the top. Make double crochet. So we will make 4 double crochet because we have 4 double crochet. 2, just on the top here, double crochet on the top, double crochet on the top, on the chains. You don't need to insert on the space, just on the top chains where we have the chains. So 1 2 3, and next I have last this one, make. Now if you see, we have something like this. So 4 double crochet, then I make 7 time, 2 chain, then 4 double crochet. Now in here our second shell, so we'll make here inside this on the first space. So yarn over, make 7 time here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, then 2 chain, 1 2, and now we'll make double crochet on the top of these 4 double crochet. So 4 double crochet in the 4 next stitches, 1 2, next stitch, and then next stitch. Here we have 4. Now yarn over, we'll make here last shell we have here 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. Then last 2 chain, 1 2, and make 4 double crochet in the last 4 stitches, 1, next 2, on the next 3, and here last we have 3 chains. So on the 1 2 skip, on the top one, third chain, make here just double crochet. Okay, we completed our second row. Now we just need to keep repeating exactly how we make first row. Just make. So I'm going to show you once again. Start with the 3 chain, 1 2 3. This will count as 1 double crochet. So on the next chain here, make double crochet, 2 on the next, 3, next 4 double crochet, and then here in the first make 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 2 chain, 1 2, double crochet on the top of the double crochet. So 4 double crochets, here. Now you can see your design as well. So just keep repeating this. It's very easy and simple. You can make with this cardigan, blanket. If you want to use anything, you can make with this stitch. So, and also you can, if you here I used 4 double crochet, you can use 1 double crochet, only one each one. You can use 2 3, as much as you want to make. You can make a change, customize your design as well. Now you can see I make some more rows, more line, and how this looks like when you make. So here, this chart will help you, and I will upload this as well with you, and you can download as well from my Instagram page as well. So